In this video, we'll guide you through troubleshooting and replacing your Honeywell gas valve in a water heater. First, ensure your safety by turning off the gas supply and unplugging the unit. Begin by checking the thermostat settings to confirm they're set correctly. If your water heater isn't heating, it may be due to a faulty gas valve. Look for signs of gas leaks, such as a rotten egg smell, and ensure all connections are tight. If everything appears secure but the heater still doesn't work, it's time to replace the valve. To start the replacement, carefully disconnect the gas line and use a pipe wrench if needed. Next, unscrew the valve from the heater. When installing the new Honeywell gas valve, ensure the orientation matches the previous setup. Secure the valve and reconnect the gas line, ensuring no leaks by applying a leak detection solution or soap and water mixture. Once everything is securely in place, restore the gas supply and check for leaks. After confirming no leaks, plug in the water heater and adjust the thermostat. Give it some time to heat the water and check if it's functioning properly. If the water heats up, you've successfully replaced the gas valve. If you continue to experience issues, consult a professional for further assistance.